again, everybody. This is Dave from Exclusive Collectibles, back for their box break. Today we're going to be previewing and opening a full factory sealed box of 1991 NBA Hoops basketball. There's a lot of great Hall of Famers, including Jordan, Magic, Bird, but there's also the infamous Mark Jackson with the Menendez killers on there that's sitting in the audience the night of their parents' murder. We're going to check out what's in the box, see what we get, and hope you enjoy. Alright, we're going to try to buzz through this. Here's the first pack. Nice old style wax wrappers that are either great to open or a pain in the butt. Alright, Alexander Volkov, rookie. Michael Adams, Sean Elliott, rookie. James Donaldson, classic hoop style. Kevin Willis, gold. Chris Mullin, All-Star West. Del Harris, Ken Norman. Lenny Wilkins, coach card. Bill Fitch, coach. Buck Johnson, gold. Kevin Johnson. And Doug Moe, coach. Doug Moe. Sam Mitchell, rookie. And Rick Adelman, coach card. Next up, we've got Charles Smith, Charles Oakley, Terry Porter, LaSalle Thompson, John Koncak, gold, Miami card, William Bedford, Fat Lever, great name, Johnny Newman, Danny Ainge, Phil Jackson from the Bulls, coach, Clyde Drexler, Derek Smith, Ron Harper, and AC Green. Next up, Brian Shaw, Wayman Tisdale, Kevin McHale, Sam Perkins, Dan Murley, Rod Higgins, Brad Davis, Scott Brooks, Casey Jones, Armand Gilliam, Blue Edwards, rookie card. Pippen makes his appearance, All-Star Gold, Richie Adebayo, John Morton, and Tom Talbert. Next up, got Glenn Rivers, Brad Doherty, Ron Seekley, Most Improved, Adrian Dantley, Skiles, Checklist, Bill Lambier, John Bagley, Chucky Brown, rookie, Walter Davis, Mitchell Wiggins, Joe DeMars, All-Star West, gold, Mookie Blaylock, rookie, John Long, and Rick Adelman, coach card. Next up, got Scottie Pippen base, off center, Alex English, Muggsy Bogues, Harold Presley, John Battle, Cotton Fitzsimmons, Bobby Hansen, John Williams, Steve Kerr, Larry Smith, Scott Hastings, Eric Floyd, Johnny Moore, Mike Schuler, and Rick Adelman. All right. Vintage. Haven't seen a Jordan or a Magic. Or a Bird, for that matter. Alvin Robertson. John Stockton. Buck Williams. Getting closer. Bill Wennington. Jeff Hornacek. Randy Brewer. Jeff Grayer. Joe Barry Carroll. Nate McMillan. Dennis Hobson. Mike Sanders. Tom Chambers. Gold All-Star, Roy Hinson, Stu Jackson coach card, and John Sundvald. All right. Almost near a quarter of the box. Joe DeMars, James Worthy, getting better, Rolando Blackman, Kevin Gamble, Matt Gukas, Tyrone Corbin, Dave Hoppin, Winston Garland, Brad Lojas, Robert Reed, Rory Sparrow, Kevin McHale, Gold All-Stars. Richie Adubato, coach card. Larry Brown, coach card. And Mike Smrek, center. All right. Dennis Rodman, Defensive Player of the Year. Good card. Karl Malone right behind him. Mark Bryant, Dennis Johnson, Reggie Theus, Bill Musselman, Rick Smits, Jay Vinton, Quentin Daly, Richard Anderson, Greg Dreeling, Robert Parrish, All-Star, Chris Ford for the coach, Vernon Maxwell, and Ron Rothstein. All right. I think this is about number 8. We got Michael Jordan right on top. Centering's pretty awesome on that one. Mark Price, Clyde Drexler, Roy Tarpley, Kenny Smith, Akeem Olajuwon, All-Star, Dave Corzine, Antoine Carr, Maurice Cheeks, Dick Mata, Ron Anderson, John Stockton, All-Star, Lester Connor, Joe Wolf, and Larry Drew out of this one. All right, one Jordan down. Let's see how many more we go. See if we can get the All-Star. Larry Bird right on top. Awesome centering for that one. Larry Nance, Byron Scott, Greg Anderson, Greg Grant, Tony Campbell, Nick Anderson, rookie card, Blair Rasmussen, Paul Mukowski, Jerome Lane, Delaney Rudd, rookie, and there's the Michael Jordan All-Star. The centering's a little off to the right. Definitely a great card for any collector. Jack Haley, Danny Young, Tom Tolbert. All right, keep this going. Dominique Wilkins, Barkley, Tom Chambers, Dana Barros, rookie, Sidney Green, Kenny Battle, rookie, Eric Lechner, Waddell Equals, Will Perdue, Otis Thorpe, Gene Little's coach card, Don Chaney coach card, Willie Anderson, Tellis Frank, and Larry Drew once again. All right. See if we can pull the magic. Akeem Olajuwon, Chris Mullin, Terry Porter, Larry Krystkowiak, Moses Malone, Lafayette Lever All-Star, Chuck Daly coach, Dan Shays, Trent Tucker, Randy Allen, Darrell Walker, James Worthy makes his appearance in the All-Star card, Bill Hanslick, Ron Harper, and Mark McNamara. All right, just about halfway. John Sally, Sherman Douglas rookie card, Pat Riley Coach of the Year, Frank Cornett rookie, Sam Vincent, Sidney Lowe, Mark Akers, Ralph Sampson, John Williams, Purvis Ellison rookie card, John Dawkins, Karl Malone All-Star, Todd Lichty, Bob Thornton, and Mike Smrek. And keeping it going. Stacey King, rookie card. David Robinson, the Admiral, we got his rookie. Slightly off center, but corners are great. Chuck Person, Del Curry, Checklist, Jerome Kersey, Daryl Griffith, Mike Kaminsky, Charles Davis, Mike Woodson, Kenny Gaddison, Reggie Miller, perfect centering, Frank Burkowski, Derek Chivas, and Mark McNamara. All right. Trying to get to that final countdown. Isaiah Thomas, Tim Hardaway rookie card. That's a good one. Glenn Rice. Herb Williams. Otis Smith. Another checklist. James Edwards. Reggie Lewis. Craig Ello. Vinny Del Negro. Horace Grant. Rolando Blackman. Chris Morris. Caldwell Jones and Ron Rothstein coach card. Got Xavier McDaniel, Mark Eaton, Buck Williams, Joe Klein, Terry Cotledge, Manute Bowl, Randolph Keys, Wayne Cooper, Olden Polynice, Derek McGee, Detlef Shrimp, AC Green All-Star card, Purvis Short, Stu Jackson, and Orlando Woolridge. All right, keep things going. Charles Smith, Charles Oakley, Muggsy Bogues, Fred Roberts, John Koncak. All-Star Game in Miami card, William Bedford, Fat Lever, Kiki Vandewee, Danny Ainge, Phil Jackson again. Clyde Drexler, pretty good centering on that one. All-Star card. Tom Garrick, Mike Schuler, and Miguel Thompson. All right. Starting to get in the home stretch. Bernard King, Sam Bowie, Reggie Miller, Rodney McRae, Tom Hammonds, Kevin Duckworth, Mike Brown, Jim Linham, Steve Johnson, Byron Dinkins, rookie, Rex Chapman, another Barkley, All-Star card, Steve Alford, Danny Ferry, rookie card, and Michael Ansley, rookie right behind. All right. Looks like we got maybe 10 total left. Ellen Robertson, John Stockton, Byron Scott, Derek Harper, Jeff Hornacek, Terry Teagle, Jeff Grayer, Joe Barry Carroll, Brad Lojas, Dennis Hobson, Mike Sanders, Tom Chambers again, All-Star, Derek Gervin, Danny Young, and Scott Roth. All right. We got Scottie Pippen, Alex English, Tom Chambers, Wesal Thompson, John Battle, Cotton Fitzsimmons, Coach Card, Bobby Hansen, Ralph Sampson, Johnny Newman, Larry Smith, Scott Hastings, Eric Floyd, Derek Smith, Tellis Frank, and Todd Murphy. All right. Getting to the bottom of the barrel. Spud Webb, Mitch Richmond, Hersey Hawkins, James Donaldson, Bob Weiss, Coach Card, Checklist, Mark Aguirre, David Rivers, Lenny Wilkins, Greg Kite, Craig Hodges, the Admiral, All-Star Rookie Card, Doug Moe, Mel Turpin, Orlando Woolridge. All right. Still haven't seen Magic. Seen one Larry Bird so far. Alexander Volkov, rookie. Michael Adams, Patrick Ewing, Adrian Dantley, Kevin Willis, Chris Mullen, All-Star, Del Harris, Ken Norman, Chucky Brown, rookie. Phil Fitch, coach. Buck Johnson, Kevin Johnson, All-Star, Mookie Blaylock, rookie. Gerald Wilkins, and Scott Roth. All right. We got Danny Manning. And there's Magic. MVP. Kevin Johnson. Jim Paxson. Patrick Ewing All-Star. Michael Cooper. Kenny Walker. Benoit Benjamin. Steve Johnson. Jeff Malone. Don Nelson. Larry Bird All-Star. Ed Pinckney. Jeff Martin Rookie. And Brad Sellers. Seems like they keep reappearing in the box. Glenn Rivers, Brad Doherty, Sean Elliott Rookie, Roy Tarpley, Scott Skiles, Checklist, Bill Lambier, Bagley, Maurice Cheeks, Walter Davis, Mitchell Wiggins, Joe Dumars All-Star, pretty damn good centering, Lester Connor, Sam Mitchell Rookie Card, and Sarnas Marcianis Rookie Card. All right, I almost see the bottom of this box. Got B.J. Armstrong, Vlad Divac Rookie Card. First one of those we've seen. R.J. Reed, Del Curry, Checklist, Kurt Rambis, Jerry Sloan Coach Card, Charles Jones, Dale Ellis, John Paxson, Dick Versace, Dominique Wilkins, All-Star. Damn good centering on that one, too. David Wingate, Gary Grant, and Grant Long. All right. Every time I think I'm at the end of one row, one more appears. Michael Jordan, base. That's a good-looking card right there. Mark Price, Ron Seekley, most improved. Larry Kristowiak, Kenny Smith, Hakeem Olajuwon All-Star Rookie Card, Dave Corzine, Antoine Carr, Trent Tucker, Dick Moda Coach Card, Ron Anderson, John Stockton All-Star, Bill Hanslick, John Long, and Kristen Welp. All right. Now it looks probably about 9 packs left. Jeez. Pooh Richardson, great name, rookie card. Rick Mahorn, Cliff Robinson, rookie. Rodney McRae, Mark West, Eddie Johnson, Thurl Bailey, Harvey Grant, Michael Cage, Bill Cartwright, first we've seen of him, Ricky Green, and there's the Magic Johnson All-Star. It's off-center, but good card. Uwe Blob, Kevin Edwards, and Billy Thompson. Hey, end of one row. These just keep coming out of this box. Hakeem Olajuwon right on top. Chris Mullin, Clyde Drexler, Fred Roberts, Moses Malone, Lafayette Lever, All-Star, Chuck Daly Coach, Dan Shays, Kiki Vandaway, Randy Allen, Darrell Walker, James Worthy, All-Star, Tom Garrick, Joe Wolf, and Drazen Petrovic, rookie card. All right, end of the second row. Ricky Pierce, Six-Man Award, Terry Cummings, Terry Trabuca, Jim Paxson, Tim Terry, Jim Peterson, Mark Jackson, Mark O'Leary, Paul Pressey, Vinnie Johnson, Vern Fleming, Isaiah Thomas, All-Star, Reggie Williams, Winston Bennett, rookie, and Ron Sunvold. All right. Now we're on the final countdown. Should be 5 left, unless they keep appearing. Larry Bird, perfect. Larry Nance, Pat Riley, Coach of the Year, Bill Wennington, Greg Grant, Randy Brewer, Nick Anderson, rookie, Blair Rasmussen, Nate McMillan, Jerome Lane, Delaney Rudd, rookie, Michael Jordan, a hair off center, but not by much. The rest of the card is perfect right there. All-Star. Roy Hinson, Bob Thornton, Sarunas Marciulionis rookie card. Actually, it looks like 6 left. These ones sneak in on you. You'll feel like you're opening forever. Dominic Wilkins, Barkley, Chuck Person, Harold Presley, Sidney Green, Kenny Battle, Eric Lechner, Reggie Lewis, Steve Kerr, one of the first we've seen of him, Otis Thorpe, Gene Little's coach card, Don Chaney, Johnny Moore, Derek Chivas, and Eddie Lee Wilkins. Seeing some of these for the first time near the end. Alright, actual count. I'm thinking 5, but there might be a 6th hanging around. Stacey King, rookie. David Robinson, almost perfect rookie. Reggie Miller, Dana Barros, rookie. Checklist, Jerome Kersey, Darrell Griffith, David Rivers, Will Perdue, one of the first times we've seen him. Mike Woodson, Kenny Gaddison, Dominic Wilkins, All-Star. Willie Anderson, Danny Ferry, Gerald Henderson. All right. See if we can end off on some more Magic or Michael. Or that Jackson card. John Sally. Sherman Douglas, rookie. Glenn Rice, rookie. Greg Anderson. Sam Vincent. Tony Campbell. Mark Akers. Ralph Sampson. Paul Mokecki. Purvis Ellison, rookie. Johnny Dawkins. The Postman, Karl Malone. All-Star again. Jack Haley. Caldwell Jones and Christian Welp. All right, about to finish this off. Isaiah Thomas, Tim Hardaway, rookie. That was a tough pull right there. Hersey Hawkins, Frank Cornett, Otis Smith, Sidney Lowe, James Edwards, Reggie Lewis, John Williams, Vinny Del Negro, Horace Grant, perfect. Orlando Blackman, Rod Lichty, rookie card. And Mel Turbin and Drazen Petrovic, rookie card. And now for the final 2. You just keep coming. You'll be opening these for a while. Got Bernard King, Sam Bowie, Kevin Johnson, Del Curry, Tom Hammonds, Kevin Duckworth, Mike Brown, Ken Norman, Charles Davis, Byron Dinkins, rookie, Rex Chapman, Magic, All-Star, Frank Burkowski, Jeff Martin, rookie, and Cliff Levingston. And for the final pack, we've got Spud Webb, Mitch Richmond, Ewing, Herb Williams, Bob Weiss, Checklist, Mark Aguirre, David Rivers, Craig Elo, Greg Kite, Craig Hodges, Yadbril, Rookie All-Star, Chris Morris, Gerald Wilkins, and A.C. Green. So there you have it. You know, the only insert set out here is All-Star cards. We did a full box. We got some Michael. We got some Irvin. A lot of Hall of Famers and rookie cards. For more great videos, click like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for more videos. Listen and download us on SoundCloud. Visit our site at bloxnews.net and exclusivecollectibles.com for articles, news, collectibles, and help with your website, marketing, and SEO needs. Email us at info@bloxcoinnews.com to learn more.